Let's start off by calling this place what it should actually be called. It's not called Harry Potter World, it's not called a Harry Potter Experience, it is the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, The Making of Harry Potter. And if you're going to go, I would strongly suggest you be a fan of Harry Potter. We know people who have gone who have never seen any of the films and said they felt extremely disappointed. Well, that's like not liking football and going to a football match. It's not going to work. We happen to love Harry Potter films. We've seen loads of them. We've seen them repeatedly. We've been to the theme parks in America, which feature Harry Potter very strongly. So this was actually a lovely experience for us to be able to do in the UK. They have the Great Hall. They have all the props that you would want to see. If you are a fan, there are some genuinely awe-inspiring moments seeing the real places from within the films. And what's really nice, as you can see, is the little effects they do just to make you feel that something magical is going on. There's the forced perspective of different scenes, so you can see how things work. This prop was actually much smaller than it looks. The actual costumes used by the actors, and lots of other props, for example, all the wands. There's also a chance for you to get some Instagram moments or video of your own. This was me. Very excited. Yeah, I haven't included my face. And they tried to make out that I hadn't got the power to do it. As you can see, even from my hand gestures, feeling very disappointed with myself. I did not use the right words with the right strength of meaning behind them. I got it eventually. The Weasley's house, again, original from the films, really good. Lots of little movement, kinetic things going on. The box that one of the characters was hidden in, and the nice effect of making it look like it's extremely deep. Lots of special effects and green screen things going on around. And a real sense that you were feeling immersed within the Harry Potter world. I found this bit particularly difficult because I have a thing about spiders. I don't like spiders at all. And just being surrounded by, they weren't really moving, but by giant, large spiders just made me feel uneasy, but very good. And then one of them charges out at you as well, which really did send something up my spine. The train was fantastic. There's a scale sort of model of King's Cross Station. Privet Drive, brilliant. The actual set that they built, used in numerous films. The second part of the experience had more to do with the special effects and how things were done. It was behind the scenes, and this was really clever. They had a lot more of the props that you wouldn't have seen before, and then a whole scene from Gringotts, which we thought was great. We stopped and watched this several times through. Some lovely real fire effects to give genuine heat. And of course, beyond that, what really everybody wants to see as well is Diagon Alley, which is surprisingly cramped and small, but it's the original one from the film and is magical. There's so much to see and do there if you're a fan, but really don't go if you're not a Harry Potter fan. I can't say that strongly enough. If you are a fan, you are going to love it. I know people who have been multiple times. They go at different times of the year. They go at Christmas and Halloween when it's done up in different decorated ways. And they love it every single time. This was the model we saw at the end, model used in the film. If you're a fan of Harry Potter, go. You really won't be disappointed. If you aren't a fan of Harry Potter, don't go. You will be disappointed, because you'll have no idea of the context of all the objects and items and props and special effects. Definitely an experience we will repeat at some point in the future. And on the way out in the car park, look out for the cones, which are made to look like the Sorting Hat. Brilliant.